Hey everyone, Ricky here from Ricky's Tech Talk. In today's video, I will be unboxing the newly released Amazon Echo Show 15 and showing some of its new key highlighting features such as Visual ID and the use of widgets for the first time on an Echo Show device. Down the side, it mentions it has a 15.6-inch 1080p Full HD touchscreen display. It can be used in landscape or portrait mode. It has a 5-megapixel camera with a built-in cover and compatible with thousands of skills and services. On the opposite side, it mentions about seeing what matters most to you. So this is a personalized display to you, whoever's viewing it. So that means you can add your own sticky notes, you could share notes with family and friends, you can even add to your shopping list. You can keep your smart home front and center too by controlling all of your smart home devices. Lifting the box, we get to see the Amazon Echo Show 15 for the first time alongside an Amazon Smile logo. Taking out the Echo Show 15, we can see the new frame design there, and you do have a camera lens. Next up is our quick start guide here. Hello, Echo Show 15. This will just show you the buttons and some of the key features, and it can be used in landscape or portrait mode. Next up is the bracket. You will use this to mount on the wall. Had a bit of fun getting this out of the box. Didn't want to come out, but it's out there now. And you use this with the screws provided to mount on the wall. And that could be in landscape or portrait mode too. Next up is your UK 3-pin plug with a round circular connection port you add into your Echo Show 15. Next is the screws and wall plugs that they provide for mounting on the wall. They also offer a handy size guide to help install the Echo Show 15 on the wall, showing you where you need to drill. And I'm not going to use this at the moment though, because I'm going to use the stand that they kindly sent along. Finally is an important information booklet that will help and answer any questions you may have, or you can leave a comment below. Flipping the Echo Show over, it's time for that nice satisfying sound. Sold separately to the Echo Show 15 is the Sanus tilt stand. This is where you can have it in portrait or landscape mode to help. Also, they do sell a 6-feet extension cable, and both of these will be linked in the video description. This is what the Sanus tilt stand looks like, and you have the option of tilting it in different angles. Along the top of the frame, you have a range of buttons. The first one is your minus. Next to that, you have a plus button, and then you have your dedicated on-off switch and slider for your camera. So once you slide this over, it goes orange. There's also some microphones on here too. So powering on for the first time, you're greeted with Amazon. Then you're greeted with Echo. And then we move into the setup stage. As well as voice ID, you have visual ID with the Echo Show 15, so yourself or any family members can set up a visual representation of their cells, such as I am doing on screen, and it gives you directions. And when you go in front of the display, it will recognize who it is, and it will have that personalized design to whoever is looking at the Echo Show 15. As my visual ID is set up and then the rest of the setup process has completed, we're greeted with the home screen for the first time. And this is where you get to see the personalized display that's all about you. So you've got your calendar, you've got your shopping lists, you've got widgets and so much more. So let's discover some of the key features. One of those is photo frame. So swipe down and select photo frame, and as I haven't preloaded any photos on here yet, it's given me the presets that are available, and we've got nature, wildlife, and it will start to do a slideshow, and you get some snowy scenes and some nice winter effects. You can change this in the settings, or you can even upload your own photos via the Amazon Alexa app that's available for iOS and the Google Play Store. Another feature is adding a widget. So we're going to see our widgets that are available here. More are coming, but I'm going to select sticky notes. So sticky note is a great option to leave notes for family and friends. So let's see what it looks like. Alexa, make a sticky note.
Okay, what should the sticky note say?
I'm running late. Can you cook dinner, please?
Okay, I've saved your sticky note.
Another option is adding items to a shopping list. Alexa, add milk, bread and eggs to shopping list.
I have added milk, bread and eggs to your shopping list.
As you can see, when the list is created, you can see relevant items down the right hand side, and you could add these easily to your shopping list. Being visually impaired, you know I always look to make sure that accessibility settings are available, and I'm proud to say in the settings section you will see accessibility settings here. There's actually quite a wide range. However, I will be making a dedicated accessibility video on the Echo Show 15. For someone who enjoys cooking, it's nice to see there is a feature that allows you to have recipes read back to you.
Caster sugar, 50 grams cocoa, baking powder, orange zest and a pinch of salt in a large mixing bowl. Whisk together the orange juice and any pulp left in the juicer, the eggs, melted butter and milk, then pour onto the dry ingredients and mix together until smooth.
These are just some of the new key features for the Echo Show 15. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already to be updated once I release my review, going into further details and showing you even more features. In the video description, you will find a link to Amazon where you can go and purchase and learn more about the Echo Show 15. I will also share a link in the video description to the Sanus stand and extension cable, which are sold separately. For me, Ricky, thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye for now.